Find the domain and range of y equals log base 3 of 2 plus 6x. In order to find things like domain and range, I think it's helpful to think about the graph, if not to just sketch one. So we have a logarithmic function, and the base doesn't really have a whole lot of effect on it. But what does is where it crosses this value right here and where this asymptote is located. So if you think about it, the logarithm, it should always have a range that is from negative infinity to positive infinity, because it's going to stretch out along the entire y-axis. So if you just think about the graph, that should just make sense that you don't really need to do any work. The range is just that. The domain, however, is restricted, and it's restricted based off of where this asymptote is to positive infinity. So how do we determine exactly what that is? Well, it comes down to this argument. So effectively what we want is to take that logarithm's argument and set it greater than 0. And this right here, this is going to solve for the domain. That's really all we need to do, because this part could solve for us where that asymptote is. Effectively, to get where the asymptote is, you just set the thing equal to 0. But if you want where it's defined, the functions are defined, it's only where those values are positive. So that's an easy way of getting the domain. Let's see what happens. If I subtract 2 from both sides, I get 6x is greater than 2. And then if I, greater than negative 2, sorry. Then if I divide through by 6, that would tell me that x is greater than negative 1/3. So the domain would be from negative 1/3 to positive infinity.